Salina Law. I was born in Hong Kong, went to Hawaii when I was 3, grew up in Honolulu, worked with MAC Cosmetics for about 15 years, moved to Miami, worked for MAC for almost 5 more years. I left the brand, I'm now working as a sales trainer, but I also do love painting. I started off painting when I was in my mid-teens, and I took up painting as a hobby. And so when I left MAC, I decided I was going to go back to painting. And so it was nice because the decade of break that I had from doing artwork has kind of allowed me to see art in a different perspective. So now when I paint, I try to manipulate different concepts and merge them into one. And that's transpired into my makeup as well. So she has skin that has more of a cooler undertone, meaning there's more of a blue pink. So what I'm going to do is cancel out the discoloration from the blood vessels or any breakout. I'm going to give her the most perfect skin possible as a nice canvas, because we will be adding appliques on top or some sort of a detail to change her appearance and make her into a character. Glitter. I have more than this. I have a box of glitter, so we'll figure out what we want to do. We are probably going to do feathers. That's kind of my specialty. I love putting feathers on people, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be fun. There's more than just black. I also have various colors. I started off by working with a lighter foundation, and then I powdered down as usual, but I noticed like her skin started to oxidize, and I did a little trick because her skin is a little drier in some areas with the breakout. So I ended up using MAC Face and Body on top of the powder and foundation originally laid out, gave her a nice bronzy color. I realized we had 2 different dress options, a black and a purple, so I kind of worked, I happen to have purple, so I worked the purple feathers underneath to give it some accent. Whenever you use purple, it's nice to use a blue base because you get the vibrancy without having to work so hard. It's all color theory. Along with that, I kind of had a little feel experimenting with feathers for a very long time. I started gluing under layers and I started layering. Last but not least, I added some white dots since we're going to Supercon. It has to look a little anime. So that when she presents herself today, she looks a little bit adventurous, a little anime, and a little natural. Yeah.
Very natural.
Very natural. We managed to do all of this within about 2 hours.